Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix automations to Google Sheets with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send form submissions, contact updates, or any Wix data directly into a Google Sheet without manual entry, saving you time and keeping your records organized. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for most of you watching, you'll already be set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the button labeled Zap and click on it. This will start the process of creating your automation. Zapier works by connecting a trigger app to an action app. So the first thing we need to set up is the trigger, which in this case will be Wix. Click on the trigger button. You'll see a search bar appear where you can type in the name of the app you want to use as your trigger. Go ahead and search for Wix and select it from the results. Once Wix is selected, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event from a drop-down menu. For most use cases, you'll want to select Forms, which will capture any form submissions made on your Wix site. After choosing your event, you'll need to sign in to your Wix account to authorize the connection. Once you've signed in, click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click on the Action button. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Sheets and select it. This is the app where your Wix data will be sent. Next, choose your preferred action event from the drop-down menu. In this case, select Create Spreadsheet Row, which will add a new row to your sheet every time the trigger fires. You'll then need to sign in to your Google Sheets account to authorize Zapier to access your files. After signing in, click Continue. You'll now be asked to select your Google Sheets workbook and the specific worksheet within that workbook where you want the data to go. Use the drop-down menus to make your selections. This step is important because it ensures your data ends up in the right place. Once you've chosen your workbook and worksheet, you'll move on to the mapping stage. This is where you match the data fields from Wix to the columns in your Google Sheet. For example, if your Wix form collects an email address, you'll use the drop-down to map that email field from Wix to the email column in your sheet. Take your time here to make sure everything lines up correctly. After mapping all your fields, click Continue. Zapier will then allow you to test the action to make sure everything is working as expected. Run the test, and if it's successful, you'll see a new row appear in your Google Sheet with sample data. Finally, turn on your Zap by clicking the Publish button. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.